Roro, Mysterious Man. Hello, JM. I have fucking allergy and shit. I mean, hi, JM. Oh my god, guys. Hi, Mysterious Man, or Mystery Man. I'm drinking coffee right now, guys. Kid dear. Hold on. John Maximus. Mike Scott. Hi, Jan. Hi, Dino Velvet. Hello, everyone. Talk to me. Sweet mo naman, Dwayne. Dwayne is so sweet. He said, if I take my meds na ba? Because I have sipon. I don't know what is sipon in ano. Ang rami, cold ba yan or what? Oh my god, guys. You know, may problema kasi ako ngayon is, yung anak ko, may cough ba? Oh, wow. Sorry guys kung ano ko. Sorry, okay. Follow back pala si Dwayne. Okay. Okay po, Dwayne. Yung anak ko, may ano siya, I think, 2 months ago, may cough siya. Yung cough niya, wag na lang akong dito magano, ayokong magano dito. Siopaw. Kape pala. Guys. Yung kape ko hindi na siya mainit. Para na siyang tubig na walang init. Opo. Single mom / surviving mom. Surviving mom. Tinatawa ko lang. Pero, ay, guys. Smash Beast. Marco, hello po. Graduate na ikaw? Yes po. Senior high. Hi, Larry. Hello, guys. Oh. Wala akong ano. Guys, wait lang. Nasakit kasi ng anak ko. Baka, wait lang guys. Kiss me. Ay. Ah. Oh, uga. Ah, shit. Wala ang inhaler ko. Karoon guys, ha? Oh my God.